binaural beats. You guys want to know how to make them, so I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very simple. You're going to want a couple of things. You're going to want some headphones. You're going to want a laptop. You're going to want some recording software and some tone generators. For the most part, audio software comes with tone generators. If you download Audacity, that's free, and that comes with a tone generator. It's also worth understanding what binaural beats do and how they work. So a binaural beat is very simple. It's got two elements really, and that's two different frequencies. So you'll have a frequency placed in your left ear and a different frequency placed in your right ear. What you're looking to achieve with a binaural beat is specific brainwave states. So you're going to be looking to have a difference between these two frequencies, your left ear and your right ear. You're going to be looking at a difference, and that specific difference between them is what's responsible for putting you into a specific brainwave state. So you've got delta, which is between 0.5 and 4 hertz. This is responsible for really deep states of unconsciousness, deep sleep, deep relaxation and healing. Your physical body heals best when you're in this delta state. After that, you go into theta. This is more of a subconscious type of state. This is where you're going to be in lucid dreams. You're going to be in very early awareness, unless you develop this with meditation. It's great for meditation. It's good for energy work. Next up, you'll be in the alpha state. This is between around about 8 hertz and 13 hertz. This is really good for more focused types of meditations. This is how you feel when you first wake up in the morning. So just coming out of that lucid type of state. Bit more between subconscious and conscious. After that, you're going to be in the beta state, and this is between about 13 hertz and 30 hertz. It's really good for your everyday awareness, awaking type of energy. After that, then we go into gamma, and that is when you're at peak alertness. So you're going to be super stimulated in this brainwave. You can fluctuate between these brainwaves throughout the day. So sometimes you might dip into like a high theta, or you'll be in an alpha, or the other two. You won't be in delta though. So let's crack on and open up our tone generator. Head to generate, head to tone, click sine wave. You've got a few different, keep it on sine wave. We're going to go for a fundamental tone of 528. And the reason that you can pick any kind of audible frequency that you want to have as your fundamental tone. There's also the ancient solfeggial tones, which are known to be quite good for healing. There's also other healing tones as well. And with a bit of practice, you can kind of find healing tones. I might make a video on how to figure out what your body is looking for with a specific tone. Mostly done through meditation. But we're going to go for 528 today. We'll look at being in the... We'll go for the theta state. So 6 hertz. I like 3s. Any kind of multiple of 3. I feel like it's got a weird, strange effect. Just because of the ways that 3s behave in nature. So what you're going to want to do is bear in mind 528 is what you're going to want as the fundamental frequency. On the left, if you've got a 6 hertz difference, you're going to want to split that in two. So you've got 3 hertz that you take away from 528. So that will leave us with 525. You generate this. This is just your duration and your volume. Generate this tone. Also, welcome to my face. I know it hasn't been on the channel. That's what I was avoiding in this on my channel, but it's happening. So, hello. Chuck the volume of this down about 10 dB. It's going to play quite loud. You probably want to put your headphone volume on about 50% as well. Chuck the pan all the way to the left. It's very important that you do that. After you've done that, click on this black space here so you don't remove what you've just done. Click generate tone. So if we've got 528, you want to add 3 hertz to this signal now. So 528 plus 3, 5, 3, 1. Alright, 528, 529, 530. Yeah. Right, generate that. I don't know how people are getting this wrong on YouTube, to be honest with you. It's really simple, but they're probably trying to just pump them out and monetize off them. Stick that all the way to the right ear. Minus 10 dB. Now what you're going to have a very pure binaural beat at 528 hertz is the fundamental frequency. I know it doesn't make much sense why you haven't got the real you haven't got the actual 528 in here. So how is that 528 hertz? Well, if you have this difference in between, when you've been listening to the binaural beat for around about 15 minutes or upwards, you're going to start hearing this fundamental missing frequency that you're looking for. And this is due to psychoacoustics. So it's just your brain filling in missing information. So it's going to be creating that middle frequency of 528 hertz. So after you've done this, you can export your file. I tend to like putting a little bit of a fade on these so that it's not so abrupt. So you can just click effect, fade in. Yeah, I suppose you've got to select that and then fade in, fade in. You don't have to do this though. I'm not waiting. Head to edit, export audio, export to computer, give it whatever name you want. Obviously the higher the sample rate, or you've got to match the sample rate of what you've put your session in as. You're going to want these as high quality as you can, and then just export. That's how you make binaural beats. Incredibly simple. If you're making these, then try and flood YouTube with the right ones if you're going to be uploading them to there. It's completely pointless listening to the wrong frequencies. Obviously you're probably listening for a certain function that you're trying to fulfill, get into a certain brain state. The wrong frequency is obviously not going to do that. That's like eating bread to try and cure thirst. If you want more videos, I can break down a little bit, and I've got some stuff online. If you go to PayHip or my Patreon, you can find some PDFs with how exactly to meditate with the specific frequencies for chakra balancing. It costs, I think, $20 or £20 for a package, and in that you get every solfeggio frequency in the theta state with a very detailed description. So let me know if you want me to make a video on this. I happily would. Other than that, enjoy making your binaural beats, enjoy your super deep meditations, and I'll catch you next time.